Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix repost option missing on my Instagram. So recently Instagram launched new feature, but they are missing. Some provide solution. I hope you just follow my all step, then you get 100% solution. So if you want to use your iPhone, open App Store, or if you want to use your Android, open your Play Store. Go to search option, search here to Instagram. At first need to update your Instagram app. I'm already update my Instagram app, but there are missing, so don't upset. Open Instagram again, press on profile, 3 line, scroll down, click on, and make sure to turn on this option. Now I'm turned on this, go back, but still now missing this option. So select any post, video or reels, like I'm select this reels, then I'm get repost option, press on. Now it's added repost. I'm refresh my ID, then I'm get repost option. When I'm press on, then I'm check my repost reels. Add another, like add this, click on to repost. Now add another reels in my repost section. So that's it.